it just did it. Right there. Chain just came off. Like, what the hell? I don't know why. What is going on, guys? Finally on summer break. Just trying to squeeze this moto vlog in. It's supposed to rain for the next couple days, I think. I mean, it's pretty dark out right now. Or getting there. So I just tried to squeeze this in while it's still somewhat decent out. Woo! I'm actually gonna have a video for Thursday this week. I've actually had enough time to make 2 videos this week now that I'm not in school, which is always nice. And it doesn't get dark out until like 9 o'clock now, so it's like I have so much more time to make content. Probably gotta oil this chain. So bogged. These things don't really like the cold weather that much. I like it when it's really hot out. See, it wouldn't shift into fourth there. That's weird. Okay. First gear. Second gear. Third gear. Fourth gear. See, it wouldn't do fourth gear earlier. I don't know if I just didn't let off the throttle enough or what. Woo! But yeah, the video for Thursday is going to be pretty sweet, so make sure you guys check it out. I actually have about probably 170-ish subscribers that watch my videos regularly. So if you're one of those who pretty much watch every single video of mine, thank you very much. Keeps me inspired to do more of this. Getting better at wheelies on this thing. Woo! The only thing that's been pretty annoying with this bike is the chain on this thing. I don't know if it's just because it's a cheap chain or what, but I've had to tighten it like five or six times already, and it actually fell off on me once. But other than that, the bike's pretty good. The shocks could be a little better, but you can't really ask for much for what you paid for it. It's definitely worth every penny that you pay. But I'll probably have a review. I know I've been saying this for a while, but now that it's finally nicer out, I'll probably have a review of this bike maybe next weekend or something, or next week, or sometime soon. Alright, we're back. I don't know, the battery died as soon as I got back there. You know what I was trying to do earlier? I sit on this, oh, don't die. I sit on this thing backwards, and then I ride it around. It's pretty confusing, because like, you like to like, whiskey throttle it. Oh, there we go. Woo, just like that. Because you want to hang on tighter, and then it's really hard to drive straight. Oh yeah, here we go. And the steering's like super sketch. Woo. Don't try this at home, kids. Oh god, almost tipped over. I'm gonna eat it. Oh. Oh my god. Nope. You can do this on a BMX bike, but I usually sit on the handlebars. That's not really an option. Oh my god. Heading for the garden. Okay, that's enough. Practice that more a different day. Fun stuff. Leave a like just for that. Oh, see, it just did it right there. Chain just came off. Like, what the hell? I don't know why. Right there. What the hell? There's no reason that should happen. Oh my god. My life makes me so angry. There's no reason you should do that. Like, what the heck? Now you're gonna make me push you all the way back. Well, I might as well just take the rear rim off now, because I actually got a motocross tire for it instead of these Enduro. I don't know. That's weird though. Like, I don't know if it's the chain or what. I know I was riding fine all weekend. Frustrates me. Frustrates me. I don't know. How do you guys have these? Let me know if this is a problem for you guys. Like, I know how to tighten a chain. It's just, it's not me not knowing how to slack the chain right. Grr. Okay, I guess we'll just pick this up on the quad. I'm not gonna ride the track at all, but because my girlfriend, if you're longtime viewers of this, or even not that long, because I've done it previously, she has these. She has two of these, and that's never a problem. I've never had that happen on hers. And I probably rode hers more than I have rode mine so far. I mean, I don't beat hers as much as I beat mine, but okay, let's ride this thing. Keys inside, of course it is. Okay, gotta let this beast warm up. Yeah, I'm not gonna ride the track or anything because no one's here. Was that a pen? What was that? I don't know. Distracted easily. Happening. Might as well just buy a new chain. Dude, that's probably all that's gonna fix that problem. Unless it's like it's kind of weird. One of the, I don't know, the nuts to adjust it. I think it's the one on the left side is like super tight. So I don't know if that one's moving, like, or it's like stripped or something. I'm not sure. But I don't know why that keeps happening. frustrates me. Actually, it was a couple nights ago, 2 nights ago, I actually saw the northern lights for the first time. They were sitting out over here. It was pretty cool. They look white in person, but they were like pulsing. You could see it pulsing through the sky. It was pretty cool. So I took a time lapse of it. Turned out pretty sick. If you want to check it out, it's on my Instagram. My Instagram shakesplace12. I also got a couple, I put a recent photo on there of my dirt bike and my quad, this quad. And then I have like, I just put another one on there that's like time lapse of a thunderstorm. But yeah guys, I'm gonna cut it off here. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe if this is the first time checking out my channel. And I will see you guys Thursday with a vlog. I got some pretty cool stuff in there. But I will see you guys. Yeah, like I just said, I'll see you guys Thursday. Thanks for watching as always. Hopefully I can get that pit bike figured out. Alright, peace!